Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a really game changer tool for all the meme coin traders, because this tool can detect rugs, it actually can snipe the tokens, and of course with this tool you can maximize your profits. And I personally really like how it works. That's why in today's video I'm going to show you how it works, how to set it up, and of course I will show you some of the examples how I use it personally. And as usual, if you want to use the same tool I'm using on the screen, you can use the link in description. This will give you 10% discount on all the fees. And of course, let's stop wasting time. Let's jump in straight to the video. So today we are talking about a project and a tool called Autosnipe. With this tool, you can start trading Solana meme coins with ease and avoid all the rugs and dangerous tokens, because right now I think on the pump.fun, 90% of the tokens launching are really scammy and most of them are rugs. That's why it's really important to be on the safe side. And this is of course where tools like Autosnipe come in. So with this project, you can trade all Solana meme coins. You can deposit money from different chains. This tool also detects automatically rugs and also shows you all the different red flags with the project. For example, it will show you if developer or top wallets are holding a big piece of the liquidity, because this is really dangerous if they dump it. So it's really important to know all these factors. And also if you're lazy, this tool will trade automatically without your involvement using AI tools. So I think it's really great. So the step one is of course to connect your wallet. So let's do it. Connect the wallet. Connect. Now you can see how it all looks from the inside. And of course, there's lots of buttons. So first off, we have all the pump.fun new pairs and new tokens. And we have really important toggle to hide rugs or show the rugs. Of course, we have to hide the rugs. Next up, we have the instant buying functionality and we have filters. Filters are really important when you're looking for the next meme coin, because this way you can filter out all the trash, all the scam, and all the tokens that are about to rug. So let's click the filters and you can see you can filter out the projects that have mint authority disabled, LP burned, top 10 holders with at least one social media, freeze authority disabled. Basically, all of these are safety features. If you toggle all of them, you can filter out all the trash. Of course, if we're talking about a really fresh project, sometimes they don't have the socials, but usually I do toggle it also, because if the token is not prepared with the social media, I think it's already pretty reddish flag. So let's click it also, applied filters. And this way we have all the tokens that passed our security screening, and we can actually pick our winners and losers. Next up, we have AI Sniper. This is the main star of this video. I'm going to talk about it way more, because basically you can set up a sniper and it will trade for you automatically. And I think this is a game changer, because you just put in your money, you select different parameters, filters, and the AI bot starts trading for you. And so far, it's been doing really good results. In this video, I'm going to show you how it works, because it starts working immediately. So first of all, we have different snipers. So we have some default snipers. You can see we have low risk snipers and we have high risk snipers. So if you take a look at the first one with the low risk, it trades low risk new tokens with at least 50 Solana in liquidity. If you click activate sniper, you can put in how much money you want to put in the sniper to actually start trading for you. Next up, you have to select the buy order. So if you put in 10 Solana, you can put in like 10% of your portfolio per trade or less. And we have the stop loss trigger. Of course, with the meme coins, it's really volatile. It moves up and down like crazy. So again, I recommend you to do different numbers and see what works for you. Later, I'm going to show you my personal settings. After that, we have the expiry dates. You can select that the bot works for 10 minutes, 7 days, so anything you want. Next up, we have the priority fees. For this one, I keep it at the AI optimized, because for this one so far, I see the best results. And after that, you can select your exit strategy. Again, for this one, you can customize however you want. And just to explain you how these percentages and settings works, you just set up how much of your bet you want to sell. So you can see sell 20% when we reach 100% profits. After that, sell 20% more when we reach 200% profit. So basically, this is this default settings. But if you want to create your own sniper, you can click create sniper. But before that, let's put in some money, because in this video, I'm going to show you how it works completely. So let's click right here. Let's click trading wallet and let's deposit some money. And of course, guys, remember, this is just a demo wallet for this video. I have my personal wallet, which is hidden for now. So let's go 0.10, which is pretty low. Let's go 0 for the priority and deposit. Again, this is really easy, like any meme coin, just send the money to the platform, because this is how it works. You have to send the money to the AI bot for him to start using your money in different trades. Again, really simple. Okay, the transaction went through, but right here you can see refresh until you can see your money. So you can see we have right now $15, which is 0.1 Solana. Let's go back to the AI sniper and let's create our own sniper. So let's create new sniper. Let's call a sniper test YouTube. You can call it whatever you want. You can select any platform. So for this platform, we can use Native Radium, Pump.fun, or Moonshot. So let's choose all of these platforms. Next up, you can select listing type. We have options new, top 24 hour, top 6 hours. So let's go for new. I think for this example, let's go new. I think this is pretty good. Again, it's way more risky, but the reward could be also really great. Next up, we have to select the minimum liquidity. For this one, I would go from 20 to 30. But again, guys, it's not financial advice. These are just settings I'm using right now. If it doesn't work in the future, I will change it. So let's go 20. 25, I said 22, 30, 25. Next up, you can select the rank. So for this one, let's go 300. You can go 400. Okay, let's do 400 because it doesn't really matter. I think 300, 400 from the meme coins doesn't change much. And when do you want to start investing? After 0 seconds. Of course, we're doing this video, so I want to show you some of the results and how it looks once you invest it. LP burn, I recommend you to keep it at 99% because, of course, this helps with the safety. Next up, holding percentage for the top 10 holders. And I think 15% for the meme coin. I think it's, reasonable. And select some of the safety features. I think let's toggle all of them because, of course, the meme coins, it's already super risky. Why add additional risk? And let's continue. Okay, right now we have our own AI sniper. If we jump into the AI snipers, you can see the sniper is right here. And let's activate this. So let's activate the sniper. Let's put in the max amount. Let's go for the bias like 20%. So let's go 0.02. Again, this is just a test account. I'm using a bigger amount and of course I'm risking more. Next up, we have the stop loss trigger. Let's do 20. Let's do 20%. Expire in, let's keep it for never because again, this is an example. As I mentioned, priority fees, I'm keeping it at the AI optimized. And I think for now, let's keep it at default settings. You can of course change it later. Usually I would probably remove this one. Let's remove it. Let's go 25, 25, 25. 25. Okay, I think this is more reasonable because I'm not going for the crazy gains. I'm going for the safer side. And let's activate our bot. So basically, this is really simple. This is how you do it. And as usual, I recommend you to try your own settings to see what works, what doesn't work. And of course, if you find the sweet spot, this could be a passive income using these meme coins. Because right now, I believe we are in the small meme coin season when the meme coins are actually performing really good. And also, guys, reminder, if you use my link in the description for this platform, you're getting 10% discount for all the fees. Also, you can use the code RICO10 because 10% discount. And also, we have a free Telegram group in the description, so join it and we can talk about different meme coins and altcoins. So, okay, once you have it, you can see right now it's activated right here, and you can see your results. It starts trading overall. You can see the trading history. You already started trading, you can see your realized gains and your losses, if they're losses. And while we wait to show some of the results, let's check out other features. So next up, we have copy trading. And this is really simple. You can find any Solana wallet you can put in here. And this bot will automatically copy the trades of this wallet. So if you have some kind of whale wallet, if you have some friend wallet who's doing really good, just ask him for his wallet, put in here, and you can copy his trades passively. Again, this really simplifies your life. This bot does everything automatically for you. After that, we have the top pairs. Again, you can filter out different scams, different parameters. We have Radium pairs, we have Moonshot pairs, and of course, you can see all the different holdings you have right now. And let's jump in back to the AI Sniper. I don't think we're doing really good. Now it's nothing really happening still. I think we have to wait for 2 hours to actually see the results. And I think we need to put more money to actually see this bot working because it has to buy more tokens. Right now we have only 4 tokens because the budget was super low. But again, if you don't have a big budget, you can put in 1 Solana, 2 Solana, maybe less, but create smaller orders. This way the bot will buy more tokens. And I think this could diversify your portfolio. And of course, this will make your portfolio safer. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the bot. Please leave a comment how much you're making or losing using this bot in the description. And don't forget to join our free Telegram. It's in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.